Welcome to this video. Today, we will explore how to use the JKassa AI Assistant through the jkAI ChatGPT plugin. You will learn how to create products, generate descriptions, product names, and pricing using artificial intelligence. To get started, log into the administrative area of your Joomla website. Go to JKassa, Tools, Extensions. Use the filter to search for available extensions. Find and install the jkAI ChatGPT plugin. After installation, go to Joomla. System. Manage. Plugins. In the filter options, select the jkAI type. Or use the quick access link to the plugin settings. Enable the jkAI ChatGPT plugin and configure its main parameters. To enable the plugin to work, you need an OpenAI API key. Go to the OpenAI platform. Register or log into your account. Navigate to Dashboard. API keys. You can also access it via the menu API keys in Account Settings. Click the Create New Secret Key button. Copy the key immediately after it is created. It cannot be viewed again later. Make sure to save it in a secure place. Let's take a look at the main settings of the ChatGPT plugin for JKassa. Model. Select the OpenAI model you want to use, for example, GPT-4o Mini. You can find the list of available models on the official OpenAI website in the Limits section. The selected model affects the quality and speed of generation. Token limit. This parameter defines how many tokens the model's response can contain. A token is a small piece of text, a word, a syllable, or even a punctuation mark. This limit applies only to the response, not to your prompt. By lowering the value, you control the response length and reduce costs. However, be careful. Too low a value may cut off the answer, while too high a value may lead to excessive usage. Temperature controls the level of creativity in the response. The range is from 0 to 2. 0.0, minimum randomness. The answer is precise and straightforward. 0.7, moderate creativity, balanced generation. 1.0, default level. Above 1.0, suitable for creative writing, but less stable. Use lower values for technical documentation and higher values for creative tasks. Let's take a look at how to generate a product name, price, and description using artificial intelligence. Go to the product editing page. Click the Generate Product Name button to create an appealing title. The Evaluate Product Price button allows you to get an average market price. To generate a product description, click Create Description. The generated HTML description will be automatically inserted into the editor. You can modify the prompt if needed. Note that the title and meta description of the product will also be generated. In the AI Chat Assistant section, you can interact directly with an AI model. Ask free-form questions, use pre-built prompts, or launch product generation using various scenarios. Let's look at an example, creating a product based on a description or name. In the center of the interface, you'll find buttons with ready-made prompts. Click the one labeled product by name. A prompt will appear in the input field. You can slightly modify it to match your product. Replace the placeholder text with your own, for example Apple Watch Series SE 2024. The rest of the prompt can remain unchanged. Now send the request. In just a few seconds, the AI responds with a complete package, product name, short description, suggested price, category, manufacturer, even product attributes. All in a single message. This is much faster than filling out the product card manually. Once the product description is generated, the next step is to save the product. A new button with a code icon will appear in the input field. Click it, and a new prompt is inserted automatically, asking the AI to format the product data as JSON for catalog insertion. Send this new request, and again, in just a few seconds, you'll receive a structured JSON response. It includes everything you need: product name, short description, price, category, manufacturer, attributes, and available options like sizes or colors. Below the response, you'll see two additional buttons. Save product, to instantly add the product to your JKassa system. Or copy JSON, if you want to use the data manually or test it elsewhere. There's also another way, creating a product from an image. Click New Chat to refresh the session. Then choose the appropriate prompt, Product by Image, from the center of the screen. Click the plus icon next to the input field and upload a product photo. Once the image is uploaded, send the request. The rest of the steps are just like the previous example. All AI interaction sessions are automatically saved in the chat history section. Here, you can quickly return to previous requests, reuse a response, or save a product again without sending a new prompt. Each record has a name that is generated automatically. For convenience, the list is grouped by time periods. If there are many chats, you can use the status filter, published, archived, or all. When a session is opened, the full conversation with the AI is loaded. If the response contains a JSON structure, buttons appear below it, copy or save product. This allows you to reuse the result without resending the prompt. Each chat also has additional actions available. It can be renamed, archived, or deleted. These actions are accessed via the context menu, which opens when you click to the right of the chat name. At the bottom of the panel, you can select the Active AI plugin. This allows you to switch between different models or providers, and choose who exactly will respond to your prompts. So, the AI Assistant in JKassa is a convenient and powerful tool that helps significantly accelerate the process of filling your online store. Thank you for watching, and we wish you success with JKassa. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos about JKassa's features.